In a row of boys facing north, A is 16th from the left end and C is 16th from the right end. B, who is 4th to the right of A, is 5th to the left of C in the row. How many boys are there in the row? See here. A is 16th from the left, C is 16th from the right, and B is what? 5th, who is 4th right of A, means 4th from here and 5th from here. Okay, so we have to find the total number of boys. So just write this 16 and this becomes 4 more 20, then here 5 more 25, and here final 15 over here or 16 over here. So 16 means this is 16th, means 15 over here. Here there are 15 to the right of 25. Remember this. C is 16th. It doesn't mean there are 16 guys over here. There are 15 guys and this guy is 16th. So 15 over here, right? So the total becomes 40. This is very important to note. That's why I have highlighted it over here. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos